My name is Taya, and I own a company called Scratch and Grind Baking Company. We make organic baking kits where we individually package all of the ingredients separately, so it's just like baking from scratch, but you don't have to go buy all the ingredients individually. We need a compressor here because we fill each of our ingredients in machinery, and we also have printers that print on all of the bags, so we have a lot of air requirements for assembly side. When I was making the move to this larger warehouse, we had a problem with the piston compressor that we currently have. It was always on, it was always cycling on, and I felt like we needed to find a new compressor that would allow room for growth, because we're always adding machinery here, and our compressors were always at its max limit, as big as we could get a piston when it didn't make a difference. So we were looking for a compressor that would allow us to grow as our machinery count increased. It could grow with us, and that wasn't always constantly on. So we found Chicago Pneumatic, and it is so quiet that we had to go with that one.